What's up, YouTube? So I'm back with yet another video. Today's episode isn't necessarily part of like the build. It ain't anything like big, but it's kind of like a quality of life type of thing. Today we're going to be installing something that I think is needed for all manual Mustang owners. That is going to be this spring right here, this SR Performance 35-pound clutch assist spring. If you drive a manual Mustang, I'm pretty sure you have felt the clutch. That clutch is so weird. I thought it was maybe because I'm going from like the V6 and, you know, skipping 4 years down the line. Like, I read online and everybody's got the same like distaste with the stock clutch feeling. Like, you don't, it's hard for you to feel it engage. On top of that, it doesn't really have like a real feel. It's weird to say that, but it also like kicks your foot back. It's not linear. That's the word. It's not linear. But what this clutch spring does is it pretty much makes it more linear and way easier to ship. Every S550 owner that has a manual, on YouTube at least I've seen, put this in and it eliminates the problems that they have. They love the feel of the car after they put this in, so I'm going to be doing the same thing. And yeah, we finna go ahead and get up under there. It's a pretty simple install. Shouldn't take no longer than 5 minutes as long as I do everything right. But finna go ahead and hop up under there. We're up under the driver's side, and as you can see, this is that pesky clutch spring. So what you do to remove it is you depress the clutch, you grab it with some needle nose or some pliers, and you just slide the pieces out. I'm probably going to switch into my phone and record this because it is uncomfortable. This is uncomfortable with the DSLR camera. It's huge as shit. But so yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and switch. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, that was too much of a hassle. That was way too much of a hassle to go ahead and go up under there and record that on my phone and on this big behind DSLR. So we went up under there. We used the vice grips to compress this spring, and we just slid the bottom portion off. There's another way to do it. You can like pull it from the top and pull it down, and it should be able to come off. But we just slid this bottom portion off. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get out, show you guys a comparison between these springs. Disregard the shirt, but peep. So this is the spring that we just took out. This is the other one. We're gonna take that top portion off. Boom, we got this spring. I cannot compress this even with 2 fingers, bro. Like, it is insane. Can't do it. This one, I can. This shit literally kicks my foot away. And it's one hell of a bitch to get into. But, so, all you simply do after you take this out, you get the other spring, drop it in, get this, boom, and you replace it. So this one is gonna be much easier to compress and put it back in. But yeah, that's how it goes. So I'm finna go ahead and get up under here once again. Probably not gonna show you guys, but got this. That was easy. I didn't expect it to be that easy putting it on, but yeah, so we got that on. So as you can tell by the thumbnail, today's gonna be a 2-in-1. Not only are we getting this out, we're gonna go ahead and put this inside of the car as well. You may wonder what's inside of this box. This right here is about 75 horsepower. Nah, I'm bullshitting. Now peep though, we got the GT350 shift knob. Just a little aesthetic. I shouldn't need to do anything but just take the old shift knob off by left turning it and just twisting this one on. Don't even think I need any Lockout, but let's get it. I gotta adjust the seating. Alright, so what we should do is left turn. Shit. That bitch stuck on there. The fuck? For my other one, all I did was left turn. Let me see. What?
20 minutes later.
Wait, we got it. We in action. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. But this is this shifter going. We're just gonna see. Am I gonna get lucky? I am not going to get lucky. I'm at the bottom. Alright. Make sure it's set. Alright. Got all the way to the bottom. Yes, sir. So we got this thing on there now. Take this out for a test drive. I just pressed the clutch for the first time, and that felt good. That felt good. And I'm in slides. I wonder how I feel when I'm actually in shoes. But we finna go ahead, take this out for a little test drive. Might do a little pull, see how I like the feel. And yeah. Alright, we probably gonna do a pull or two, but one thing I will say is this is way smoother than that stock clutch. It's about as springy as the other one is, but it feels way more linear. When I'm coming off, it's not kicking my foot away at the end. It's not just smooth and kick away. It's smooth all the way through, and it feels amazing. But no, I might take some time to get used to this. I will say, like that second gear, every time I used to go in the second gear right there, yeah, low RPM, high RPM, jolt, don't matter. It really, bro, this is wild. Shifting, I don't have to be worried about, like, I don't know, it just feels so much different when I'm letting off the clutch. I don't know how to explain it. Fucking third, I just tried to do another one. Definitely gonna have to get used to it, but this feels so much better. This clutch assist spring feels so much better, like it's ridiculous. You hear that beeping? Somebody don't got their seatbelt on, but yeah, this clutch pedal, this clutch spring is really out of this world. I really do say that everybody who got a manual needs this in a Mustang. Once you get rid of that stock clutch spring, I promise you, you ain't gonna wanna put it back. You ain't gonna wanna put it back. This feels too good. The MT82 trans is already pretty it's not a garbage trans. I think you can take up to like 700 horsepower. It's pretty fucking well and everything, but the issues as far as, you know, trying to rip it and doing stuff like that, it locks you out and it's too many problems. So, you know, we go step by step with making this transmission, or just making the ride better with a 6-speed by changing in that new clutch spring. No more jumpiness, or is minimalized other than driver error. So I say, and the only other thing, I seen somebody make a video on it. They got a new clutch. The MT82 would not be bad. I think if you change out the clutch spring and you get a new clutch, it'll ride forever. But I'm just cruising, got my food. I think I'm good now. I like it. I like the feel. Finna go ahead and get used to it. Used to stopping and starting just a little. It's a little bit different, but other than that, 10 out of 10 recommend. I'll leave a link to it on American Muscle. And yeah, I'll tap back in with y'all boys when I make it to the house. Alright, y'all boys, we is back at the cribbo, and I must say that clutch pedal assist spring is top tier, and I definitely recommend. Like I said multiple times in this video already, I definitely recommend buying one of those. It's cheap, only for like 20 bucks. It completely changes the feel of your S550 manual Mustang. Appreciate y'all boys for going and tapping in with yet another video. We got some more heat on the way, probably going to be doing some more cosmetic mods to Carnage. We holding off on the power mods. I think I know what I'm gonna do with the car now. I'm gonna call the cosmetics phase 1. The phase 2 is going to be the power mods. I think I know what direction I'm gonna go when it comes to the power mods, but right now we just gonna go ahead and do the cosmetics, get the cosmetic, make them look nice. I appreciate y'all boys for tuning in yet again, but you cannot click off of this video without giving me the HBO special as usual. So go ahead, I'm gonna give you about 10 seconds to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Also, Share the video with like a friend or two. Shit, it won't hurt. They click it. If not, I just won't get another view. But support your boy. Go ahead and give me the HBO special. I appreciate y'all once again for tuning in. Give me y'all time. Give me y'all likes. Y'all comment. And all subscribing to my channel. Matter of fact, I forgot to add this at the end of my last video. Go ahead and hit that bell. Hit that bell notification so y'all can see when I post. We about to start getting real active here. You know, summertime. I got a lot of free time coming up here pretty soon. We got a lot of content to be posting. We got a lot of content to record. A lot of meets. A lot more car parts. Stay tuned. I appreciate it. I'm out.